Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a beautiful Yamaha Dragstar 250. Really nice condition overall. Great things about these Dragstars is they look like a proper full-sized cruiser bike. They sound beautiful. They're really comfortable, easy to ride. Great for newcomers, great for people coming back into motorcycling, great for people who just want to get a commuter in and out quickly. The 250 gives you a little bit more power, so you can go on the motorway a bit better than say a 125, and you've got some nice little extras on the bike as well from 2001. The bike sounds really good as the baffles have been taken out of the exhaust. Sounds really cool as a you know, a big cruiser bike should sound. And overall you have the front tire here, good condition, a little bit of a scrape here in the front mudguard, nothing too major. Up over the top, indicators, lights, everything like that, all in nice condition. We have the tank here, which is in beautiful condition. You can see it all around the chrome itself has been very well kept and polished. We've got Oxford heated grips fitted, chrome aftermarket, I believe are aftermarket mirrors. Seat is in nice condition, big large seat, pillion seat as well. We have the rear pegs, exhaust, chrome, everything around here all really nice. As you can see, we've got a rear Pirelli put on the back as well, Pirelli rubber, nothing crap. 2001 Yamaha rear sissy backrest. We've got the pillion bags as well, or the panniers I should say. Chain as well, all good. Chain and sprocket are good. Left hand side chrome, all really nice on this side. Side panel, good condition as you can see. Tank up over the top again, all very good. Mirrors, all the switches and gauges, everything like that, all nice and clear, no fading. And yeah, not really too much to go over. It was a quick little visual analysis, not really too much to say. We have tax on the bike till the 4th 2025, and we have original Yamaha key with it as well. So that's it for the Dragster. Let's go for a spin. All right, we'll head out on this Yamaha Dragstar and give it a bash. Now to turn this on, make sure the fuel is on, which it is on. Bit of choke. Key and ignition is up front underneath here, which is odd, but that's how they do it on these cruisers. Clutch in. I'll let it warm up slightly with the thing on. Turn down the choke slightly. And we'll just maneuver the bike around a bit. There we have it. Right, away we are. Just make sure I'm recording, and I sure am. And away we go. Everything is feeling quite nice, very comfortable sitting position, as you'd imagine from a cruiser like this. Oh, sorry, I'm just forgetting to talk. I'm enjoying the bike so much. But yeah, we're going all through the gears, stopping, starting, all that rest of the stuff, waiting for Mr. Man and his Hyundai to come through. I think the main thing with this bike is it sounds really good and it looks good. So I mean, if that's what you're into, you want something that sounds good and looks good, then I guess this is your little starter bike to have, or commuter bike, or whatever you want to do with it. It's not particularly fast, but it's no slow coach either. Everything feels nice and tactile. Clutch lever feels nice and light. Nice response from the front brake here. The rear brake actually felt really good as well. A nice travel on it. Mirrors are actually good, no real vibrations coming from them. Overall, very smart little bike. Very easy to ride. Doesn't feel like there's any kind of bashes or clangs or anything from any of the suspension. Letting go of the handlebars, there's no wobbles. Really smooth, enjoyable bike to ride. Yeah, I mean, certainly on a day like today, be nice to go out for a spin. Really enjoy this bike's pedigree. And we just go left here. It does have an indicator for your indicators being on, but you do have to look right down on it. Although one thing I will say is your view is, you're not obscured on your view or anything like that, which is nice as well. Plenty of visibility. And we'll just park her up here. Slips into neutral nicely. Put her on the side stand. Horn, we'll give a go. Horn is working nicely. Indicators, front left indicator, rear left indicator working. Rear brake light there as well. We have the rear right indicator and front right indicator working as well, and we'll do the rear as well. Turn on the lights at the front. High beam and low beam seem to be working there. That's the high beam, I'll just turn off, and there's the low beam. Lights, all that working nicely. Just turn this off, and we'll just check the heated grips also. They're turning on. I'm sure they're lovely, but I don't really want to have them on right now. It's quite hot. So that's been the Yamaha Dragstar 250. If you have liked the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. If you do want to reach out to us on our socials, they are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram, and our official YouTube, our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.